Hey guys, Mike here, the sales manager at Pickering Volkswagen. I'm standing here in front of our 2023 Volkswagen Atlas Exec line in the beautiful Aurora Red Chroma. If you're interested in an Atlas and you're looking to get into one in time for spring, I've got some great news for you. We currently have 15 Atlases and Atlas Crossports in stock available for an immediate delivery. For this month, we are having our maintenance May-nia promotion. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, you will receive up to 5 years of prepaid maintenance. On top of that, you will also receive up to $3,000 off any in-stock Atlas or Atlas Crossport, and even better, for the first time in a long time, lease and finance rates start at a very low 4.99%. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to give us a shout, email us, or head on in. We'd definitely love to see you.